Hi, my name is Bree Clark and I'm a software expert, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a password restriction from a Microsoft Excel workbook. I'm going to start by using Control-O to open a workbook with a password restriction. As it opens, it's going to prompt me, so I'll type in the password and press Enter, and then the spreadsheet opens. To remove that password, I'm going to click on the File menu, and here you'll see under Protect Workbook it says a password is required to open this workbook. So I'm going to click the Protect Workbook drop down and I'm going to choose Encrypt with Password. And then I'm just going to use the Delete key to clear that password and click OK. And now it no longer says that it is a password protected document. So I would just click on Save to save my changes, and that's it. My name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert, and I just showed you how to remove a password restriction from a Microsoft Excel workbook.